To view schedules and classes, come down over here, click here, and here you will see a submenu of student schedules, teacher schedules, subjects and courses taught by a particular teacher, and student enrollment by classes. So let's take a look. Number one is student schedules. You'll go over here. You can type in a student's name or their student ID or their last name, and then you select the student. Here you will see the student's teachers. If this is the correct student, you'll click here, view student information, and you'll see all of the students' information here. Here there's a tab, schedule and courses. So here you will see all of the students' courses currently enrolled in, and you can sort this by clicking however you want to sort the schedule. And if you put your cursor over any of the charts here, 2 to 3 white boxes will come up, and one of those boxes will contain 3 dots where you can go ahead and click and export the data, meaning you can download the data. We're going to go back. And now let's take a look at teacher schedules. Here you can pick the teacher's name, or you can just begin to type in a teacher's name, and the teacher's name will come up, and here again you will see the teacher's schedule. Over here you will see the number of students in that particular class. So this teacher has 196 students over 8 classes. Subjects taught by. So here you can view a teacher's schedule by clicking on the credit type or the subject. So here we're going to click on English. So here we're going to see all the English classes. Here you're going to see the number of students enrolled, the teacher's name. So here you're looking at the entire district or school's English classes. If you want to filter that down to a particular type of English class, click this arrow going down, and then you can go ahead and you can click on one. So here you can see AP English, and you can see this is the teachers. These are the teachers teaching those courses and number of students per course. Let's go back. Now we're going to see student enrollment. Here you can pick a subject, and then once again, you can filter it down and you can pick a particular type of course. And here you will see all of the students enrolled in these courses with the teacher's name. You will also see where the student attends school.